Hello and welcome to another video of Unlock Panda. Today I will be showing you how to unlock a Samsung Galaxy J3. Although I will be doing it with this model, keep in mind that the same process is for every Samsung model. It is a very simple process and we will be doing it together step by step. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the first step. Let's go. Go to the dial app. Here you will have to dial *#06#. You will see a 15-digit number displayed on your screen. So go ahead and write down this number as we will use it in our next step. Make sure to write it down without any mistakes. Keep in mind guys that while Unlock Panda is generating your code, you can use your phone as normal. Now you will have to go to your computer and we're gonna have to log in into the unlockpanda.com website. And once there, you will have to provide some information about the phone that you're trying to unlock. So let's go ahead and enter the original carrier. In this case, it's a United States AT&T. You just have to look for it down here. There you go. Then let's go ahead and look for Samsung under manufacturer. Down here, there you go. And then you have to look for the exact model. In this case, this is a Samsung Galaxy J3, and let's select the economic service. Next, you will have to write down the IMEI number. This was the 15-digit number that we found out on the previous step. And lastly, just enter the email address where you wish to receive the unlock code as well as the unlock instructions. Now at the bottom here you can see the price as well as the delivery time. Remember that the delivery time is different for every different model. Now on the following page you get a chance to review your order. Make sure that everything looks good. If everything looks correct, let's move down, and here we will have a chance to agree with the terms and conditions and go ahead with the payment. We're gonna go ahead and pay with PayPal. And once the payment is complete, in a couple of days you will be receiving an email just like this, where you will have detailed instructions, step-by-step instructions, as well as the unlock code. Here it is. So let's go ahead to the following step, which is insert an unsupported SIM. So in this case, I'm gonna remove the AT&T, which is the original carrier from this phone, and I can insert any SIM except one from AT&T. So let's go ahead, insert the new SIM, and then all I have to do is turn on the phone. Once the phone is completely on again, it will automatically ask me for the unlock code. So let's just wait one more second. Let's try to go in. And there you go guys, it's asking me for the unlock code. So let's look at our email and make sure we enter the unlock code without any mistakes. Once we are finished entering the unlock code, press done, and then we will have to press the unlock key. And there you go guys, it's completely factory unlocked. Now you can use your phone with any GSM carrier worldwide. You can see here I'm getting a 4G signal and it's ready to be used. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.